Hey guys, many of you that are watching this video right now are in a place where you're starting from nothing. You don't know how to really kind of kickstart your financial future. And that's what this video today is all about. I'm going to lay out for you what I would do if I was starting from ground zero, from nothing, the steps that I would take to get to where I want it to be financially. And so we're going to get ready to get into it. Hopefully, a lot of this will be things that will really help you out. But before we do, I want you to take just a moment. I want you to comment below, comment where you are right now in your financial journey, and comment also where you want to be. Okay, we're going to get into it. And the first thing, if you were just starting out, the first advice I would give you is learn, learn, learn. I can't stress this enough, guys, how important it is to always be learning. You need to always be reading books, watching YouTube videos about whatever it is that you are wanting to do, whether it's, maybe you want to start a business, maybe you want to start an ice cream shop, or you want to start mowing lawns for a living, or you want to buy real estate, whatever it is. I guarantee you, YouTube has a wealth of knowledge. Make sure you're watching YouTube videos, reading books, podcasts, whatever the case may be. Make sure you have a mentor. This would be maybe a number two. Have a mentor, but it kind of ties into learning. Have a mentor. Have somebody that you have constantly pouring into you about what you need to do to get to the next place that you want to get to. I'm always thinking a few steps ahead. I'm thinking about where I want to be in a year or 2 years or 5 years. I always have a goal for where I'm going, and it keeps me motivated to get there. But I have mentors, people that are there or maybe a little bit further than where I want to go. And I constantly am reaching out to them, asking them questions, inviting them out for dinner or for lunch. Hey, I'll pay for your lunch, but I want to just pick your brain a bit, and I want to be able to grow in my financial journey, because I see where you are. I see you've accomplished what I want to accomplish. And so I will pick their brains and learn from them and grow from them. And that's what you need to do. One way you can get a mentor is I would love to mentor you. All you have to do is click in the description below, click on the thing that says Calendly, and go to my Calendly. It's like a calendar app that you can choose a time, and we can get you started. And I provide it's about 30-minute session with you on a Zoom call at no charge. And then from there, we will talk about going forward, me mentoring you even more if you'd like. So, hey, reach out to me. I'd love to mentor you. I'd love to help you get to where you want to go, because I had people that mentored me. I had people that helped me get to where I want it to be. So it's important to have a mentor. Number three is kind of goes along with this, but have a good network. The little saying goes, your network is your net worth. What does that mean? Well, if you have a good network of people that you can, pull from, whether it be mentors, can be a part of your network, but also, for instance, with what I do, I have rental properties. I have, contractors that are in my network. I have lenders that are in my network. I have a realtor in my network. I have people that I can go to for whatever it may be, whether it's buying a house, keeping a house fixed up, any of it. I have people in my network that I can go to that will help me. And so your network is important. Have people in your network, because you can't do it by yourself. You need people to be a part of your network to help you grow. And you're going to constantly need people. You're going to need new people at some point. You're going to have things come up that you need more people in your network. So these are not all people that are, paid people that you have around you. Some are just there just to help you, and you help them in their network, right? Number four, if I was starting over again from zero, I would take action take risks sooner even than I took risk. I took a lot of risk, coming up. I'm just turned 40 back in October. So I'm now in my 40s, but in my 20s, my 30s, I took risks. I bought houses, and just, trusted God that He knew what He was doing. And it's important to take those risks, but sometimes you're going to take risk and it's not going to work out. But you have to take risk. You can't just say, well, I took a risk and it didn't work out, and I'm not going to take no more risks. That's how you stay stuck. You got to take risks, guys. And you may say, well, I'm not taking a risk if I'm just working a job, working a 9-to-5 job. Yes, you are. You know how many people get laid off from jobs, companies go under? You're taking a risk working at a public job, even if you don't think you are. You're taking a risk, whether it be stocks, whether it be starting your own business, a company, or buying rental houses or investment properties, whatever the case may be. You need to have some other things in your pipeline, some other streams of income, so that if the job were to go under, you still have something that you can pull from, okay? The next thing I would suggest is, there again, I'm tying these right into each other. Buy assets, especially real estate. I personally love real estate. I love the tax benefits of real estate. I love the ability to purchase a property, fix it up the way I want to fix it up. Many times I can turn around and refinance it, and pull cash out of it for another rental property. So buying rental property is really a good way to have passive income, or semi-passive income at least, that gives you tax benefits and it gives you an asset. But if you don't want to do rental property, that's totally understandable. A lot of people say, I don't want to fool with rental property. You can buy stocks, you can start a company, start a business, and there are thousands of things out there you can do. But most of them fall kind of under those three different kinds of assets, whether it be stocks, starting a business or a company, or real estate. They kind of fall under those. But do something, either purchase, stocks, purchase assets. You need assets, guys, because assets are increasing in value. There are things that are going to, once you buy them, once you get started, they're gonna be providing income for a good long time. So make sure you buy assets, okay? And then the last thing, kind of a sixth bonus thing, is don't sit on deals. What do I mean by that? I've had a lot of missed opportunities in my life. I've shared these with you. One of my biggest mistakes, I've told you guys this before, one of my biggest mistakes is my grandparents and my parents co-owned a mobile home park. They were gonna give it to me. I turned it down. They sold it, and man, I could just kick myself because I would have been able to have taken that rental property and would have been able to manage it, just give them a check, and I could have lived off of the income from this rental property. But I let it slip through my fingers, and you need to make sure that you're not letting opportunities pass you by. If you have an opportunity come along and you have the means to be able to invest into that opportunity, invest. Take a risk. Sometimes taking a risk is what will pay off. Again, there are going to be risks that you take that are not going to pay off, that are going to flop, and it happens. You got to have things fall through in order to get to where you want to go in life, okay? So those are my 5 plus a bonus things that I would do if I was starting from scratch. I hope it helps. Make sure, like I said, drop a comment below. Tell me where you are financially, where you want to be. Also, make sure you click the link in the description if you want personal mentorship. I'd love to help you out. And if you want to know more about rental property, and kind of the ins and outs and things to avoid, make sure you click the video right here. And this is going to be a video that's going to help you tremendously with rental property. The things that you should do, shouldn't do. Click right here, and I'll see you on the next video.